this week I decided to make eco-friendly Ganesha. Like ये साल तो कोई फेस्टिवल होने से रहा, लेकिन हर फेस्टिवल का वाइब लेना बहुत ज़रूरी है. This was since last year मुझे गणेशा बनाना था, लेकिन वो कब हुआ नहीं. And मम्मी recently she told me that 22nd of August is Ganesh Chaturthi. तो मुझे उसके एक हफ्ते पहले ही बनाना था. And I thought to record the whole process of making it. I don't know how it's gonna turn out to be. This is my first time making something like this. I have never made it. बहुत पहले मैंने ऐसे पढ़ा था कि कि ऐसे गणेशा बनाते हैं मड से, एंड उसका विसर्जन हम ऐसे पॉट में करते हैं. देन वी प्लांट अ सीड इनटू दैट पॉट एंड द सीड ग्रोज इनटू अ प्लांट, एंड दैट्स ऑसम, राइट? सो आई टोटली वांट टू ट्राई दिस होल प्रोसेस. पूरा प्रोसेस तो ये वीडियो में नहीं होगा, लेकिन जैसे बनाया है वो तो मैंने दिखा दिया. बट द होल प्रोसेस आफ्टर लाइक विसर्जन एंड प्लांटिंग अ सीड आई विल बी पोस्टिंग ऑन माई इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल, सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू फॉलो मी देयर फॉर मोर. कुछ आइडिया नहीं है ये कैसे होने वाला है. थोड़ा बहुत कुछ ऐसा देखा है वीडियो कि हाँ ऐसा बनाना है. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड टू द एंड ऑफ द वीडियो टू सी हाउ इट टर्न्ड आउट टू बी. Today is Monday, a lot of Monday blues, a lot of work. You shandy. Okay, so guys, this is Monday today. There is a lot of work, there's a lot of Monday blues, but as we know that we are making Ganesha for this week, I'm just going out to get the mud that we need. So I found an auntie who sits nearby, so let's check out with her if she has the required mud or not. I'm not sure if we get it, but let's check. Let's go. Okay, so यहाँ मिलती है मिट्टी. ये चल जाएगी पक्का ना भैया? So हमें मिल गया है मिट्टी. So आपका नाम क्या है भैया? विनोद. विनोद? विनोद. 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 Hey, today is Tuesday. I thought to start with something because कुछ तो start करना पड़ेगा ना. So I have bought the stuffs here. Okay. So we will be separating stones from the mud. This is the terrace area. We are not allowed to come here, but we break the rules. So कल का दिन तो पूरा मंडे ब्लूज में ही चला गया. कल तो कुछ हो ही नहीं पाया. So आज हम शुरू करेंगे. Let's start it. So first we would mix the water and the soil, and secondly we will just separate the stones from the mud. So I was using this chalni which we use in the kitchen, but that didn't work. So basically I will be using this one. So make sure you have a bigger, the whole ones, so this mud can come out at least. Never have bath and sit for this, otherwise you will be ending up like this. So yes, so we are done with the separating the stones. I will show you. Wait. So see these see, it won't work with these bigger stones, right? See. So indeed what we did is we had separated it totally, and these are the sand. See, this is how it looks like. So we will just do separate the water also from this now. So we will separate the sand and the water from here. Hey, so it took me 1 hour to complete that. Now I'll get back to work. So let the mud settle properly for half an hour. We'll just check after half an hour how does it look like. मैंने ऐसे हैंग किया था मिट्टी को. अभी let's see कुछ हुआ है कि नहीं. This will work. So this is how it is right now. Wednesday, super rainy day. It's Janmashtami today and totally everybody would be missing. Like हम सभी सोच रहे होंगे यार आज तो दहीहंडी के दिन में हम बाहर रहते थे, आज तो अभी घर पे हैं. बट कोई बात नहीं, चलता है, कभी कभी ऐसा हो ही जाता है. So today it's not a holiday also मुझे है, like it's 2 hours I have a bit of time, so let's do in the 2 hours. Background में जो भी noise है, it's the children, they are enjoying Janmashtami stuff there. I don't know if you guys can see it, I'm trying. Thing guys, even the small joys you have in your life, just just embrace it and just enjoy it, because it's really important. Yeah, like today in the afternoon they might be feeling something better than what we are feeling. Like they might be like, oh हमने खेल लिया जन्माष्टमी, oh we had the Andy in the small joys, but that's okay, right? Look at it, they are happy. So we'll start with that and let's see how it turns out to be. This is the mud. This is the trial I was doing when I bought it. This is a new stove when I am going to do it, and this is a water just in case you would require. I don't know. Made the base. Okay, the base will look like this, and so make sure that your leg, which you place, it's a bit thick and that can hold the whole Ganpati, because I made a mistake earlier, so I don't want you all to make it. So we'll just make a shape of wait, I will show you. Satisfied with it. I will show you guys how it turned out to be. Have completed it. It was super fun. I never thought it would turn out to be that good. So this is how it had turned out to be, and I'm pretty much satisfied with this. So 3 days 2 hours per day, it's done. Like you आपके घर पे भी गणेशा आ जाएगा. So may Lord Ganesha bless you and your family with all happiness throughout the life. Let this 2020 pandemic and all these problems, worries get over as soon as possible. That is the only thing we can wish for right now. So yes. So if you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and let me know in the comment section. Shower your love in the comment section below, and I really love reading your comments, seriously. Yes, so share with all your friends, and I'm gonna come up with videos every week. So until next time, bye bye.